A coach or consultant, you've probably heard of the concept of solving the fact that your course or program needs to solve a problem, a challenge, a pain point, something like that. So when you go through my Discovery Insights process, you answer a pretty typical sort of question, which is what is your biggest pain point or challenge or problem or something like that. And you'll be asking that to your ideal clients, your customers, those sorts of people. Now, or prospects, you'll typically get back this surface level problem. It might be something like my business isn't growing. I feel sluggish. I don't feel spiritually connected. I'm in a terrible relationship, that sort of thing. And that's the starting point. Now, why is this important? Because it opens the gateway for the deeper level problem. Now, those deeper problems are what our course really wants to solve. But also our course, it also guides, knowing the surface level problem also guides our course a little bit. You might need to add something in there to solve that. But most importantly, you need to know the surface level problem for your messaging, because this is where your ideal customer, your client that's where they're starting at psychologically. So you need to be tapping into that with your messaging in the very first instance to get on their side of the table. So I hope you got something out of that. Tomorrow, I'll be diving into the deeper problems. Ooh, that's where it gets interesting. Have a great day.